Hi, this is Alex, and over the next 3 minutes, I'm going to give you a window into this coming Sunday, June 28th, our online relationship workshop and what it will be all about. So, first of all, relationship. Well, the ground of relationship is with ourselves. So, part of our exploration, or the underlying basis of our whole exploration, will be um, that relationship with ourselves, which is the springboard for our relationships with each other. And the one who is our true lifelong friend is ourselves. And being friends with ourselves, we can be friends with and enjoy the full benefits that we might want to have in relationship with one another. So, um, some of the things we'll be exploring this Sunday are what is the meaning of touch? And I'm speaking of touch in two different ways, interrelated. What is it that touches you? So there's the physical touch, but there's how are you touched within, emotionally, spiritually, who you are as a being? What is the connection um, in relationship that you want to foster that touches you and that in the mutuality of the experience that can touch another. And of course, there's the physical element that is, we are physical beings. And there's a lot of taboo in our society around certain things that people may want to share or express. And so some of the things we'll be exploring this Sunday are what is it that stops you from asking for what you want, whether it has to do with touch or has to do with any aspect of relationship, and what are you doing instead? And then there's also a key part, which is it's almost like, oh, don't ask me that. Well, why? What is it that makes it difficult for you to say no? Is it difficult for you to say no when you want to say no? And what are you doing instead? So I will put on the screen here uh, where you can get your free online ticket. And I'm looking forward to seeing you. Looks like we'll have a small group, maybe 10, maybe 20, but small numbers, could even be 5. So we'll see if you're one of those. Enjoy in the meantime.